Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have another video for you guys. Today I have this gorgeous glueless curly 4x7 pre-cut lace closure wig, 18 inches. This hair is extremely soft and it is glueless. There is no adhesive, no glue. I did not do anything to lay this wig down, and it lays super flat on my head. So the hair is from Yolissa Hair, and these are all the things that come in the box: lashes, a band to lay your wigs, brush for your edges, bag to store your wigs, wig cap, and all that good stuff. So this is the wig, like I said, 250% density, 18 inches. I got a large cap size because I have a big head and a lot of hair. Now first, let me show you guys the hairline on this wig. As you can see, the hairline is plucked to perfection. The hairline is gorgeous. It is pre-plucked, so you do not need to pluck a single hair from this hairline. And as you can see, it is plucked really well. The lace is bleached, so you don't have a lot of dark knots. So yeah, you do not have to do any customization. And the lace also comes pre-cut, as you guys can see. The lace has jagged edges, and they did it like that because that actually makes the lace more invisible when you wear the wig, so you don't really see the lace. So I really like how they did the wig. All the work is already done for you. The wig comes with a band for extra security, and it also has combs as well, just to make sure that it stays safely on your head. Nicely constructed wig. So now I'm just gonna put the wig on my head, and as you guys will see, when I wear this wig, like, you literally do not have to do anything to this wig. You can literally just take it out of the pack, put it on your head, and go. This is what I call a glueless wig. It's a lace closure wig, and it's 4x7, so you have 4 inches of parting space, and then 7 inches from ear to ear. So you have a lot of parting space if you want to change the parting or do like different styles with the wig. So it's pretty versatile. So I'm just arranging it on my head. And as you can see, the hair is pretty thick, and my hands literally just run through the hair very easily. Barely any tangles in this hair. Even though it's curly hair, it barely tangles. Now, the only thing I noticed was that since I'm darker, I would have to like tint the lace to match my skin tone. If you're lighter skin, you wouldn't have to do that. But if you just want it to be like a perfect match, I usually just take a little bit of foundation, just a little tiny bit, and a brush, and just run it over the lace. And as you will see, as I'm applying the foundation to the lace, everything will just look automatically immediately seamless. The only thing I needed to do to this lace was just tint it to match my skin tone. That was it. Once you tint it to match your skin tone, like, that's literally all you have to do. And as you guys can see, as I'm applying the foundation, the wig is literally just melting into my scalp. There is no glue, no adhesive, nothing at all. As you can see, it lays really flat on my head. And I'm just doing the part as well. And yeah, that is it. That is all. Literally, I did not lay this wig down. Nothing. I literally just put the wig on and tinted the lace, and that is it. I didn't even have to do baby hairs. I was contemplating doing baby hairs. I was just like, let me just do a little bit of baby hairs, but there was no need. And that is how you know a wig is good. That's how you know the lace is good, when you do not need to do baby hairs to hide the lace. So now I'm just pressing the top down with an iron. I always do this when I wear my wigs, just to make it flatter, because I have a lot of hair underneath. So sometimes it makes my hair and my wigs like stay high, so I need to really press it down. But other than that, that was basically it. Like, I was kind of confused on what to do next for the video, because I did not have to do anything to this wig. The curls came perfect. You don't even need to define the curls. As you can see, these are how the curls look right out of the pack. But I'm just going to define the curls just for the sake of doing it, just to show you guys what it looks like defined. If you wanted to do the wet look with this wig, that is definitely something you could easily do. Just use some gel and use some mousse. But yeah, the curls are super easy to define. Applying the mousse felt like I was applying butter to this hair. And it's so easy to brush through. Very easy. This hair is amazing quality. Honestly, 10 out of 10 for me. This wig is perfect. I rarely say that about wigs, but this wig is really perfect. So I just went ahead and defined only the front, just for the sake of doing it, just to show you guys how the defined curls look. But other than that though, like, this wig came perfect. I did not have to do anything apart from tinting the lace. I just wanted to give it a little bit of layers just to frame my face, but this is optional. You don't even have to do this. I was literally at this point just looking for stuff to do to make the video longer, because like there was nothing for me to do. Everything already was done. The wig already came perfect, ready to wear. So yeah, this is the final thing. Honestly, this wig is just amazing quality. And I like wearing curly wigs like this during the winter because again, I live in Chicago. It gets really really cold. So I like really curly wigs like this that basically just protect my head from the cold, help to keep my head warm. So if you live in a colder place, this is definitely a good investment. The wig, like I said, is good quality, very very low maintenance. And again, there is no glue or lace. I'm just showing you guys with the tail of the comb to prove that there is no glue or any adhesive here. You can literally just take this off and put it back on. Easy to go, just easy, very very easy. So if you're one of those people that does not like stress with wigs, you just like something that's super easy to work with, this is the wig for you. 10 out of 10, hands down. I would definitely recommend this. Let me know what you guys think down below, and definitely stay tuned to the end of this video for all the specs about the hair. Okay guys, so this is the final look. This wig is gorgeous and the hair is incredibly soft. I barely had to even define the curls in the hair. I literally just did the front as you guys saw, and that was it. This is what I call a wear and go wig. You can literally throw this wig on and go. You don't have to use any glues, no adhesives, nothing like that. You don't even have to do any baby hairs. I did not do baby hairs in this wig. That's how you know a wig is good, when you don't need to do baby hairs to hide the lace. Like, it literally just lays flat on my head. I got a large cap size, so the wig fits me perfectly. My head is big and I have a lot of hair, so usually whenever I get large cap sizes, the wigs fit me so well. But most people would be good with a medium. This is 18 inches, curly texture, 250% density, so the wig is pretty thick, and as you guys saw, it's super easy to just literally run your hands through the hair. If you want bigger hair, you can obviously fluff it out some more, and it's so easy to fluff out. Literally just run your fingers or a brush through it. As you guys saw the construction, this is the 4x7, so 4 inches for the parting space and 7 inches from ear to ear, so it gives you a good amount of parting space if you want to do like a side part or whatever, or if you want to style the wig, you can definitely do that. So it's a very versatile wig. You don't have to do any customization. The lace is already cut for you, and the lace is cut really well so that you will not see it. Like, literally you will not see the lace when you put it on. The only thing you will need to do is that if you're darker skin like me, you'd have to like tint the lace so that it matches your skin tone, and you can easily do that with some foundation, and that is basically it. You obviously only have to do it once and it's tinted, except for when you like, maybe when you wash the wig and then the foundation comes up and you have to like put the foundation again. But for the most part, once you do it once, it's not something that you have to do every single time you want to wear the wig. The wig is very very soft. The curls come already perfect. If you want to be extra, you can go ahead and define it some more, but the curls come perfect already, so you really do not have to do much. You can literally just take it out of the box and wear it. That's basically what I did. Yeah, like I said, I think this is like the 100th time I'm saying this, the hair is incredibly soft. I barely got any shedding, and it doesn't even feel like there's anything on my hair. This wig is very thick, 250% density, but it still has this lightness to it, so you don't feel like there is any weight on your head. To be honest, I don't like to compare brands, but I reviewed a similar wig like this from another brand, 18 inches curly wig, and I'm not gonna lie, this one is better. This one is like way better. If I give that one maybe an 8, this one will definitely get a 10. You guys can see, so like, see I'm shaking my head and it's not coming off because the wig is very very secure, very secure, so you don't have to use any glue or anything with this wig. Like, it literally just stays. So yeah, like I said, this hair is from Yolissa Hair. I'm very pleased. For me, this is a 10 out of 10 wig, hands down. All the information is going to be down below in the description box, so please make sure you check that out. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. You can subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button down below on my face on this side. Also, do not forget to watch my other wig videos on this side. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.